and the honorable members of the impeachment court. I have met, Your Honor, with opposing counsel this morning, and we have sorted out the list, the titles as contained in the list submitted by the LRA administrator, Your Honor. And we came up with stipulation, Your Honor, as to certain titles that are either canceled or titles not under the name of Renato C. Corona or names of Renato C. Corona and Cristina Corona, but are also not canceled, Your Honor. And we're ready, Your Honor. I am ready to state for the record, Your Honor, these titles, Your Honor.
Did you enter into a stipulation of facts?
We have entered into a stipulation, Your Honor, as to the entries, Your Honor, in the titles listed in the LRA
Correct.
letter, Your Honor.
The court is just clarifying. You entered into a stipulation of fact regarding titles.
That's correct, Your Honor.
In writing.
No, Your Honor.
Why don't you reduce it in writing and submit it to the court formally? Can you not do that for simplification?
Will it be a joint manifestation, Your Honor, or we have to comment?
All right, you can manifest it if you want. Your common agreement.
We are ready, Your Honor, to manifest, but
All right,
it might
manifest
take
it.
a little longer, Your Honor, and I would beg the indulgence of the Honorable Court, Your Honor, to
Yes.
permit me.
You now make a manifestation and let's hear the prosecution.
I will do so, Your Honor. Thank you very much. Of the 45 titles, Your Honor, contained in the list submitted by the LRA administrator, Your Honor, in response to the request by Congressman Tupas, there are 17 canceled titles, Your Honor. And I am reading, Your Honor, and would like to invite your attention to this January 10, 2012 communication by Attorney Eulalio C. Diaz, Administrator of the Land Registration Authority, to Congressman Neil C. Tupas, Jr. In these numbered titles, Your Honor, the following are canceled.
And those are no longer material evidence in this proceeding.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All
But
right.
Well, Your Honor, if I may, except, Your Honor, of one of the properties, the Ayala Heights property, which was sold only in 2010, insofar as the prosecution is concerned, that is still material for the years 2002 to 2009, Your Honor. And that is our Exhibit Triple G, Your Honor.
Your Honor, please, insofar as this will prove our earlier stated purpose, Your Honor, that in fact canceled titles were included in the list to show or to make it appear that the Chief Justice still owns a number of properties, that would be this list, Your Honor, will still be
In
material
other
to
words,
us.
you are stating that 17 titles ought to be subtracted from the 45 alleged titles owned by the very property represented thereby owned by the respondent Chief Justice.
That's a precise observation, Your Honor.
All right. Is that correct? The prosecution from the prosecution side?
That will be correct only for the year 2010, Your Honor, because as we have said, up to year 2009, the Ayala Heights property, Your Honor, was still in the name of Chief Justice
Only
Corona.
to that extent.
Only to that extent, Your
All right.
Honor.
So these are the 17 canceled titles, Your Honor. I will mention the number first as appearing in the list. This is number 10 in the list, which is marked as Exhibit 199 for the defense. The title number is TCT number N-85804. Registered owners are Maria Cristina R. Corona and Renato C. Corona. And this is the Marikina property, Your Honor. This is actually the mother title of the subdivided 7 parcels of land testified on by the defense witness Demetrio Vicente, Your Honor. During the testimony, witness claimed having already bought these parcels of land. Next is number 16 in the list of the LRA administrator. This is title CCT number 19497. But in the list, Your Honor, it appears there that it is registered under the name of spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona. As an additional stipulation, Your Honor, the prosecution agreed that the list was wrong because in the list, it appeared there that the owners of this title are spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona. But if we look at the title itself, it was registered under the name of Mega World Corporation, Your Honor, because this is an originating title. Next, Your Honor, is number 17 in the list, which is CCT number 19651. In the list, the registered names are spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona. This is again wrong, Your Honor, because looking at the title, it will show that the registered owner was Mega World Corporation. There is also stipulation to that effect, and the prosecution agreed with that observation. Next, Your Honor, is number 18 in the list, which is CCT number 19652, registered again in the list as spouses under spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona. This is again wrong because the title itself shows that it was under the name of Mega World Corporation. There was a stipulation also in this regard. Next is number 19 in the list, which is CCT number 19653. In the list, it appears there that this property or this title is registered under spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona. Again, this is wrong, Your Honor, because the title itself shows that it was registered under the name of Mega World Corporation. Next is number 20 in the list, Your Honor, which is CCT number 8777. In the list, it says there that the title is registered under spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona. This is again a wrong list, Your Honor, because the title itself shows that it is registered under the name of Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation. Next canceled title, Your Honor, is number 21 in the list, which is TCT number 989. This actually should be TCT 989-P/T-05-P, canceled as originating title to number 22, which is the McKinley property, Your Honor. Next is number 24 in the list, marked as Exhibit 201 for the defense. This is TCT number RT-77725-16799, registered under Vicente Rocco Jr., married to Asuncion Basa. Next canceled title, Your Honor, is number 25 in the list, marked as Exhibit G for the prosecution. This is TCT number 85121, registered under the names spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina Corona. This is the Ayala Heights property, Your Honor, sold to the Rivera spouses. Next canceled title, Your Honor, is number 28 in the list, marked as Exhibit U, at title number TCT number N-254901, registered under the names of Cristina R. Corona and Renato Corona. This is the La Vista property sold to Maria Carla C. Castillo, married to Constantino T. Castillo. Next canceled title, Your Honor, is number 30 in the list, marked as Exhibit 203 for the defense. This is TCT number N-154400. Registered under the names of spouses Angelina T. Castillo and Constantino A. Castillo. Next, canceled title, Your Honor, is number 33 in the list, marked as Exhibit 206 for the defense. This is a title number TCT number RT-106-747-226256, registered under the name of National Housing Authority. Another canceled title, Your Honor, is number 35 in the list, pre-marked as Exhibit 207 for the defense. This is CCT number N-11168 under the name Burgundy Realty Corporation. This is the originating title to the Burgundy property referred to in number 34 of the list, Your Honor. Another canceled title is number 38 in the list, Your Honor, marked as Exhibit YY for the prosecution. This is title number 125683 with registered owners Mirna Nelad Bahar and Beneroso E. Bahar. Another canceled title appearing in the list is number 40 in the list, Your Honor, marked as CCC for the prosecution. This is TCT number RT-20758, registered under the name of Danielle Encina, married to Domiciana Artrero. Another canceled title, Your Honor, is number 42 in the list of the letter of the LRA administrator. This was pre-marked as Exhibit 209 for the defense. This is TCT number RT-3190163659, registered under the name of Eugenia Coronado, married to Juan M. Corona. And lastly, Your Honor, the 17th canceled title is number 44 in the list, Your Honor, pre-marked as Exhibit 211 for the defense. This is TCT number 84241, registered under the names of Ismael A. Mathay Jr. et al.
So
These are all the canceled titles, Your Honor.
So as far as the defense is concerned, you're saying to the court that those 17 titles do not cover properties, real estate property belonging to the Corona couple, the Chief Justice and his wife. Is that it?
That's the exact admission made in the
All right.
stipulation this
What is
morning,
the
Your Honor.
position of the prosecution?
As we have said a while ago, Your Honor, subject to the qualification that the title of the Ayala Heights property, although cancelled only in 2010, Your Honor. So that insofar as the prosecution is concerned.
That is your only reservation?
Yes, Your Honor. That is still material for the years 2002 to 2009.